Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to save photos to Google Photos. So, if I open the gallery for you, you can see that I have only this picture. So, to save photos, we need to firstly open Google Photos. Now, if you want to save only one picture, just tap on it, okay, not this one, let's say this one, and click at the three dots at the right top, and download. Now let's move to the gallery, and as you can see we have two photos right now. If you want to save few photos, you need to select them, let's say this one. After that, you will see the menu, you need to scroll down and click at the Save to Device. And now let's check again the gallery, and now we have 3 more photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.